like this. It's right diagonal.
Nice.
Hello there, my name is Perry Clemens. I'm a coding and robotics teacher, and today I want to talk to you about a really cool introductory lesson about the Sphero Indi cars. Let's get started.
It's down. It goes like this. And then it goes like this. Wait. It goes like this.
It makes you go right.
Okay, so these Sphero Indi cars are great for students to use from TK to second grade because these robots do not require a screen. All they require are these tiles that you put on the car on top of the tiles. There's a color sensor here, and when the car senses the color, it does different actions. Okay, so the activity started out with this worksheet right here. And this one right here is where students will just color in the different sections based on what the color does. This started out like a coloring sheet for kids from TK to second grade to just kind of learn what red does, what does blue do, what does dark green do, all these colors, like as a coloring activity. But then I thought, what if I can make this more of a discovery lesson? Make it so that students have to discover what the cards are, what color are on their own. So I made this worksheet here in which I've taken out the names of the colors and also the colors here, and students have to discover on their own what color does different actions. So how we do it, class, is we would start telling the students that this is the Indi robot, how to turn it on, which button right here to turn it on. And then if you put it onto a tile, it actually will move. And you ask the students, what happens if I put it on a green tile? What do you think? And the students will probably say it means go because green lights mean go, and they're correct. I put it on green and it will go. Okay, and then we put it on red to make it stop. Okay, so now we learn the two basic functions of our robot. We have our green and red, so we color in green there, color in red there, and then they do the same thing for all the other actions. They put a green tile first and put a pink tile after it, see what happens, or a red tile after it and see what happens. Now the important part for this game is we're working with students from TK to second grade. It's important to make sure to understand that students understand their left and their right, because it's very important for this, the left and right, and how if you're facing each other, left and right are flipped. Okay, and you should end up with a worksheet something like this here, cut in so nicely where kids will discover different actions that the car does here. Okay, and you may also want to have it as a shorter, smaller double page sheet here for younger kids, where on here they can do the colors and here they can do the tiles, the maze. So the maze on the back is a really cool activity to do when they're done. When they're done, they can turn over the page on the other side, color these in again with the same colors, and then they have to try to get their robot from the maze from start to the finish by coloring in the correct colors that will do the correct actions. And then when they're done coloring this all page in, they're going to create this actual maze using actual tiles. Okay, and that is how I did my lesson. At the end of it, you can talk about color theory, about how different colors control our emotions, how green, red, and yellow kind of code our cars and help us stay safe on the road. All these are ways that colors help us in our life to make sense of the world. Thank you so much for paying attention to my lesson today, and I hope you enjoyed it. And please put in the comments how this worked out for you.
It makes you go right.
Mr. Clemens, are you sitting on the yellow? It's down. It goes like this. And then it goes like this. Wait. It goes like this.
Wow.